One of the truly great things about Axial Training is we've been around since 1997. That means we've trained a lot of students. At last count, over 120,000 students for over 15,000 businesses. And we love the full circle that we now experience. We have owners of businesses now who are hiring apprentices that we're training, and the owner of that business were one of our apprentices back in the day. It's the full circle that you have with the heritage that Axial Training enjoys. If you are considering vocational training for yourself or your staff, please reach out to Axial Training. We have a great range of career pathway managers who can assist you with consultations on how the training can work for you, your employer, or your staff. Contact details are on your screen now. And remember, at Axial Training, we stop and we ask you what you need your training to look like.